Hey, this is Brandon Weather. Here's my update for the fall forecast. It's gonna be hot through here, the Texas, the Midwest country, hot out there, the Midwest country, cool in the Northeast, all the way down to Carolinas. Big high pressure system, a big high pressure is coming down for Canada. Right there, it's coming down, bringing that cool air down, but allowing that cool air to come down from Canada. But real hot weather is gonna be out in Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas. It's gonna be very hot out there in Texas and Oklahoma. Very hot weather out there, and this is my fall outlook. It's gonna be very hot on Texas. The couple of weeks be hot, and this is summer for us. The summer, with the summer fall outlook, it's gonna be kind of hot out in Texas and all out there in the West. Cool in the Northeast and the Mid Atlantic states be cool out there in the Mid Atlantic states. But that's what I want to point out. It's gonna be cool out there. My next map. It's gonna be hot out here. All in Texas. Cool up here. Warm over here. Sort of warm over here. Cool up here though. Here's the NEO chart. I was trying to mention y'all guys NEO chart from May 1st to September 1st. Right now, the NEO's been more negative than positive. So that's why I'm checking on the NEO chart. It's been more positive. It's been kind of up and down pattern. It's been equal from positive and negative equally. So it balanced out very well. Also, it balanced out very well. This in any other chart is where you look out for coastal storms and whether when the storms cut the Great Lakes or whatever when the storm they come on the East Coast. These other NEO chart models, it dictates how low the NEO can get, how positive it can get. But it's the NEO 500 millibar chart for the next 10 days. It looks more neutral. It's not neither positive or negative. It's a little more in between the two patterns. That's what it looks like to me, in between the two. But I think that the NEOs will stay positive all the way through. Then it goes a little bit neutral there. That's why it goes neutral. But that's the NEO chart. And I think for the winter time, I think these areas can get mixed precip, rain southeast with severe weather, and snow, a lot of snow up here, midsection of the country and out in this area. But that's the main reason be for the midsection of the country. Also, that's what it's gonna be in my winter forecast. Here's my other winter forecast right here. Rain all through here. A mixed bag all through here, or icy conditions. Snow up in the north, mid-Atlantic to New England. Snow out in the Midwest with mountain heavy snows and lake effect snows in the Great Lakes. And out west, it's gonna be pretty hot out west. That's what it's gonna be. For the setup, the jet stream, this was now the pattern is now. A big ridge out in the midsection of the country. And you got the subtropical jet active, and you got the big you got how the low pressures come up along the East Coast, bring us a lot of snow. That's what's gonna bring us a lot of snow. And during the winter time, fall winter time. But what we're gonna look at, what's gonna happen is You're gonna have a lot of snow in these areas. A lot of snow in these mid-Texas country. They're hot and ridge out here, big ridge in Texas. Keep them hot all the whole year. And let's look at the models. Let's take a look at the models. Well, I know how I do. I just do this and let's look at the models. GFS model. Let's look at the models. Let's take a look at the models. I'm trying to pull it up. Okay, guys, this is a big ridge out here. A big trough in the east. Well, a little trough in the east. But the ridge is trying to move eastward the next couple days. It's trying to move eastward. But it's not the right model I was trying to look for. That's not what I want. Here, right here. Right, it's the model right here. This big ridge and a big storm, that turbulent storm come up into here, and then a big ridge right here. It's gonna suck it up when I push play. The moisture gets sucked up, and then by the big ridge take over, and the ridge is big, and it's a trough in the east, trough right here in the east part of the country, Mid-Atlantic states. Big ridge out here. Look at this big trough. Look at the little pressure up there. It's a big trough right here in the east. A big trough. Most of the heat's out here in the country right here, and most of the heat is gonna be out there. That's that storm that's gonna come out. Yes, soon bring this area rain. Bring that area rain. Let's look at AccuWeather. Well, look at the models. Let's look at AccuWeather. Basically thunderstorms all over the place, scattered all over the place, thunderstorms all over the place, thunderstorms scattered everywhere, all down the southeast and northeast. The storms all in the Midwest in the country. Very scattered thunderstorms are everywhere. And also, the storm, I'm show you that storm I'm talking about. That storm right here. That storm is gonna come up to Baja California. It's gonna hit Baja California. That's the thunderstorms right there. Just now, right now, live. These thunderstorms right there. The supercells has some severe weather potential. Severe weather outlook, but nothing very isolated thunderstorms right there. I see a lot of thunderstorms in that area. That's what it is in that area. That time. Look at the rain preset for the next 24 hours. It's get a lot of rain in these areas. Midwest, dry in Texas, very dry in Texas, and a lot of rain in the Midwest. A lot in the Great Lakes, a lot of heavy rain. The Great Lakes, 4 or 5 inches of rain. Like a lot of rain in the Great Lakes. That's a lot. That's what it looks like in there. The camera terms of weather goes. Now let's take a look at radar. You see the storms that's gonna come up while California bring these areas a lot of rain, and the southeast got that front that's coming down, so coming across the southeast this weekend, so bringing them showers and thunderstorms for us this weekend for the mid-Atlantic states. Showers and thunderstorms. Showers and thunderstorms, but that's what it look like. Let's look at the heat. Let's look at the heat. Very hot out here. These areas. Very hot in Texas. Less heat out on the east part of the country. Less heat out there. We got cool air coming out from Canada. That's some real cool air coming down. It's coming down from Canada. But that's some real cool air. It's coming straight down from Canada. That's some real cool air coming out from Canada. That's gonna come down. Then this one on low temperatures for nighttime. Very cool out here. Very cool. Very cool temperatures coming out from Canada to the southeast of the states. Well, that's what I got in store. It's Friday. Friday temperatures. The heat is going out right west.